it. Okay. Brand new Audi RS5 four-door coupe. I think it's a V6 twin turbo. A most amazing green color called Sonoma Green, I believe. But this car is really fun, handles really well. Been driving it all day yesterday in some canyons in Malibu, and we're over here up on the crest today, coming up the backside, and I'm gonna chase Andy in the NSX up. Should also note that my car is supposed to be the camera car, so it's full of camera junk, so you're probably going to hear some of that stuff flying around. But also, please note, all cameras are fully secured and stowed. It's just tripods and stuff like that banging around. A lot of sounds with this thing. Not sure which ones are real and which ones are fake, but I like all of them. Man, this thing grips so nicely. Let's see if I can keep up with the NSX. Gonna be tough. That thing is so quick. I drove that a bit yesterday, and holy heck. Yeah, he's got quite a bit more balance and grip than I do. At a certain point, we just have to stop trying to keep up. Bit of ABS.